Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to counter Maze Ice Wall in Overwatch. Destroy it. Use high damage heroes like Junkrat, Pharah, or Bastion to quickly destroy the ice wall sections. Hack it. Sobra can hack the ice wall, disabling its functionality and allowing your team to pass through. Teleport past it. Symmetra's teleporter can bypass the ice wall, allowing your team to reposition quickly. Use mobility abilities. Heroes with mobility, like Winston or Genji, can leap over or dash through gaps in the ice wall. Boop enemies over it. Lucio or Pharah can use knockback abilities to push enemies over the ice wall. Coordinate with teammates. Communicate with your team to focus fire on the ice wall section to break it down faster. Create alternative paths. Maze ice wall may block a direct route, so flank around or use alternate paths to engage. Wait it out. Maze ice wall has a duration. Sometimes the best strategy is to wait for it to appear before engaging. Block Maze retreat. Use May's ice wall against her by trapping her team or isolating her from her allies. Use crowd control. Heroes like Roadhog or Orisa can pull enemies over the ice wall or displace them effectively. Coordinate with ultimates. Combine ultimates like Diva's Self-Destruct or Zarya's Gravitation Surge to break through or punish May's ice wall. Break it preemptively. Anticipate May's ice wall placements and break it before it's completely formed to minimize its impact. Focus fire on isolated enemies. Use the ice wall to separate enemies from their team and focus fire to eliminate them quickly. Communicate and regroup. If separated by the ice wall, communicate with your team to regroup and attack together. Use environmental hazards. Maps with environmental hazards like Ilios Well can be used to punish Maze ice wall placements. And that's how to counter Maze ice wall in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.